Ladies and gentlemen, today I am issuing an executive order banning another Religia symbol that violates the Constitution: the Easter Bunny and the Easter egg hunt at the White House. This will be the first time in about 100 years that no Easter egg hunt will be on the lawn at the White House. The word Easter will be discontinued as well. Michelle will not be canceling the spring break for our daughters and their class this year, even though money is tight. Another reason for cutting the Easter egg hunt is it will save enough for other important events. And since we closed the White House to public tours, the White House grounds will be available for the new golf course for a fee I am having installed. I will be having the Secret Service install green giant arborvitae along the White House fence to block TV cameras from videotaping my meeting with world leaders when they come to play golf with me. I have already scheduled meetings with Tiger Woods, who will become the new White House golf pro. Dennis Rodman will become the new ambassador for athletics. The farm Highland Hill Farm is donating the green giants. We are thankful that the farm agreed to donate the trees after we threatened to condemn their farm for Section 8 housing. The new golf course will have a complement of robotic squirrels to be recycled from the Robo Squirrel project that was recently funded. Easter Bunny hunt will be replaced by a squirrel hunt for nuts. Highland Hill Farm will also provide black oak trees for the new fairways that will be installed. Being president is a hard job, but at least Michelle can have a black oak. She wants a big one. I am glad I found the farm highlandhillfarm.com on the internet while searching the keyword high.